Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Mercedes Benz E36 AMG. As you can see, it's a wagon. It's part of Hotwheels Premium and Fast Wagon set. So it has got another cars with it. So the set includes these 5 cars, and I think I already have the Forester, and I think I had the Volvo. I'm not sure. Maybe the mainline. And I have the Chevelle in a different color. I don't have Audi RS6 I want, as far as I can remember. But since we are here with the Mercs, so let's open the package and see how does it look. So here it is out of its packaging or box. First thing first, the paint looks really cool. Most of the Mercs you see are either silver or black from Hot Wheels, but this one looks really good. And let's start from the front. So up front, you got nicely detailed headlamps, grille. You also got those small wipers for the headlamp, which look really cool. This looks like fog lamp in the bottom, and you can see it's an AMG because, ooh, white body baby. So it's a white body wagon state, whatever you want to say. Looks really good. You got both the rear view mirrors, single wiper in the front, and as I said, it's a wider body, so you can see a body kit kind of design. You also got the Mercedes logo and this gorgeous looking hood. I love the shape of these old Mercs. They look so cool. Also, since we are here, let's talk about the roof too. So you can see it has got a sunroof and roof rails. All of this looks really nice. And you can also see the nozzle for the washer fluid. That's also detailed. So good work, Hot Wheels there. Coming to the driver side, again you can see some nice details. You also got these nice looking wheels with rubber tires. Door handles are detailed, and you also got the turn indicator there. Again, the body kit or the wider body continues here, so you can see there's that. Again, flared wheel arches in the back too. Looks really good. I love the shape of these old wagons. Coming to the back, again some nice details here. You can see detailed tail lamp, twin exhaust. I don't know if you can see clearly, but it's E36 written there, AMG on the other side. And you got the Mercedes logo. Don't see any windshield wipers in the back. I don't know if Hot Wheels missed it or the actual car didn't have any. I'm not sure. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap here. This is how it looks from the top. You can see how it's wider than normal. This is how it looks from the bottom. And the interior is done in black because it's slightly tinted, so you can't really see it, but the steering does have that old Merc shape, so good detail there. And in the back, again you've got a bench, and then the trunk area or the luggage area is just a flat, no major details there. Does look good, looks really good, and I think it will go really good with other Mercs. I have some main lines. I don't think I have any other premium Merc of this era. It looks really good. I like it. Let me know what you think about this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.